Oh, hi, I'm Matt with Clean and Dry, your location for cleaning excellence. Today we just wanted to take a minute and go over our exclusive 12-step cleaning process with you. This is available, all this information is available on our website, and you can see all about it. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to pre-inspect to look for areas of special concern. We're going to introduce ourselves at the door, of course, and we're going to look over the area with you. We've got a laser tape measure to take specific exact measurements of the areas that we're going to be cleaning. If there are areas of special concern as far as pet spots are, we do have our handy dandy black light to specifically locate the areas that need flush extracted. We'll go over that a little bit more later on in the process. We do measure the whole job up, go through everything with you, get your permission to get started, and then commence on the cleaning process. The next step we have here is we do pre-vacuum. This is our Windsor Sensor S12 vacuum made in Germany. It is a good, it is actually the Cadillac of commercial vacuums. You'll see it in the hotels and all over. This vacuum allows us to remove 80% of the dry soil. And as everyone knows, that it's a lot easier to remove particulate soil, dirt, than it is to remove mud. So that puts us a long way down the trail on removing all the contaminants in your house. So we vacuum the whole main area, vacuum underneath the furniture that we're not moving, that we can reach under. It does have a crevice tool, so we're going to use that to vacuum up the edges. Like I said, remove all the soil that we can reach. We are going to lay out some drop cloths if we're going to be crossing hardwood floors or floors that might be damaged by moisture or being walked on. We do put corner guards in the main transitions to protect the walls and trim. The next step is to pre-spot, and we have some special cleaning solutions here. We have a paint oil grease remover if you have gum spots or if you have a greasy spot, somebody tracks something in. We have that. We do have some synthetic dye removers if you have Kool-Aid spills or something of that nature. We're going to go ahead and treat those before we start cleaning. Sometimes after the cleaning we're going to post-spot these same cleaning agents afterward as well. If you have pet spots, we're actually going to flush extract those. We've got our special gun jet here, and we have our water claw. This allows us to use the vacuum system to extract and remove all the urine contamination that's in the face fiber, the back and the pad. There are other videos on our YouTube channel that go through this a little bit more in more detail. So we're going to take care of all the pre-spotting. We're going to pre-spray. We're going to apply a pre-conditioning agent that emulsifies and breaks down the soil and oil. This is actually a oxygen booster with a naturally derived citrus solvent that is a gentle pH. It's approved for 5th generation Stainmaster carpets. And we're going to apply that and give it some dwell time, let the chemistry go to work. We do use a rotary jet extractor for almost all of our jobs. It's a power head. It makes 875 cleaning passes a minute. This is so you can see a demonstration of the head. It does have 5 cleaning solution injectors, and it has 5 vacuum ports. There are custom manufactured wand glides that we have put on here to allow our vacuum system to remove the most moisture possible. So this turns 175 RPMs, and that makes 875 cleaning passes a minute, washes the fiber from all sides, and then of course we take our machine and go back over and do a dry stroke that allows us to recapture up to 90% of the moisture that we use. Here's our regular floor wand. This is all that most people clean with, and we use this for cleaning under furniture, for cleaning up around the edges, and cleaning the edges of the room. And of course, if we have an area that needs touched up, we'll just apply some more pre-spray and run over it with our wand. So after we've done that and everything's looking good, we'll go ahead and apply DuPont Teflon Protector. We just include that now in our cleaning service. There are a few people who just don't want that, and that's okay, but it's just included in the service because it works so well. It protects against water-based stains, oil-based stains. The biggest benefit that nobody talks about, of course, is dry soil repellency. What that does is that keeps the particulate soil from falling down in the profile, in the fiber, and it keeps your carpet clean longer. If you have a stain that goes on it, oftentimes it'll protect the fiber and keep it from being such a problem stain. So we'll apply that. We'll actually groom that in, and then we'll set up our downdraft air mover. This actually begins the evaporative process. It takes the warmer, drier ambient air, blows it down across the surface so that it usually dries to the touch. We find in 8 to 12 hours, of course, that depends largely on the environment we're in the temperature, and the relative humidity. So when we're all done, we've done a final inspection, we take our Grandy groomer and we actually groom out our footprint so your carpet just looks perfect, or as close to it as we can make it. If there's any areas of special concern, we're going to go over those with you and let you know that we've done everything we can. There are some permanent stains, but normally, like I say, everything looks perfect. Thanks so much. We're looking forward to serving you.